Can you believe this is an iPhone 11?
Bro,
What's up?
I saw you can modify an iPhone XR into an iPhone 15 Pro. Can you modify an iPhone 11 too?
Of course, iPhone 11 can be modified.
Look at my iPhone 11.
What color do you want?
Original color.
This one?
Sure, it looks nice. My battery and Face ID are broken too. Can you fix them for me?
I'd have to replace the battery cell.
Can the battery capacity be restored to 100%?
Of course.
The Face ID is broken. Can you fix that too?
Absolutely.
Great. Please arrange everything for me.
Okay, today, we received an iPhone 11 from a customer. You can see the back glass is already shattered. The frame looks heavily worn, like post-war damage. Opening the settings, let's check the device info. This is a US version, 64 gigabytes model. Let's check the Face ID. Face ID shows that the infrared camera is damaged. This is usually caused by water damage. The battery health is only at 73%. Later, we'll replace it with an ultra-capacity battery cell, restoring battery health to 100%. Here's the latest iPhone 11 modified into an iPhone 15 Pro shell. Unscrewing the bottom screws, we've shown the modification process many times, so we won't go into detail. If you want to see the Face ID repair and battery cell transfer, watch until the end. Some people quietly watch the video but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Such cute people. Okay, the shell modification is done. Now let's replace the battery. Technically, we're replacing the battery cell. This involves transferring the encrypted cable to the new cell. We leave some length on the battery cell cable, then weld it to the encrypted cable using spot welding. After welding, we refine the battery to look like new. Okay, this is the finished result. It looks fantastic. Now let's repair the Face ID dot projector. You can see it's currently in a fused state. First, we back up the Face ID's base level data to the computer. Heat the glue on the dot projector with a heat gun, then gently remove the dot projector cable. The small black piece is the dot projector cable. Use the heat gun at 280 degrees Celsius to pry it off. Replace it with a verified Face ID integration chip. Once installed, test it again. You can see the dot projector is now able to function normally. Rewrite the base level data back into the chip from the computer. After completing all steps, fix the dot projector in place with glue. Put everything back into the front assembly and reattach it. Check if Face ID can be set up normally. Okay, no issues. Stick the battery adhesive to the battery and reassemble the device. Apply waterproof adhesive. Attach the screen. Screw in all components. Clean the inside of the device thoroughly. Okay. The phone has been fully modified. Opening settings. It's still the same 64 gigabytes iPhone 11. Check the battery. Now it's at 100% health. Camera functions, including zooming, work perfectly. The flashlight is functioning normally too. The frame now has a brushed metal finish. This video is coming to an end. If you like shell modifications, feel free to follow me.